What's going on, you guys? A lot going on the show. We got new shirts. We got new everything. We're going to have some new hats. Be looking for that. A lot of good things going on. We got more good recipes coming your way. More Lazy Man. More barbecue. More product reviews. And what was the other one? Oh, no. More keto. A lot of you enjoyed the keto recipes, so there'll be more of those coming too. All the videos you love are heading your way. We're ready for another great year. It's not the beginning of the year, but we have revamped everything. We're excited. We're pumped. Everything's on its way up. We're just looking forward to bringing you some new material. There's also a new feature I want to do called Recipe Roulette. So we got a lot of things we want to start doing. I want to do more playing with your food. I absolutely love playing with your food. So we're going to do that. But in the meantime, I want to just dive right into this recipe. So come on in close. I'll show you what we're going to be using, okay? These are Alfredo pizza cups, and they're keto friendly, okay? So they're healthy. They're good. I'm going to show you how to make them real quick and easy. And let's go down the ingredients first. Okay, I don't know if you guys know about Egg Life yet. I did a video on it. I really like these. These are tortillas made out of egg whites. They're really good. They're great for like tacos or rolled burritos or whatever. It's called Egg Life. You can get them I think you can get them at Walmart. I know you can get them at Aldi, and I know you can get them on Amazon. So they have 6 different flavors. Anyway, it's just literally egg whites. So there's less than 1 gram of carbs. There's protein. It's all good. So we're going to be using that today. Alfredo sauce, Rayo's seems to be the sauce of choice lately. Everybody's using it. Then you got sausage. You got cheese, pepperoni. Then we're using Kinder's buttery garlic and herb as our seasoning, okay? So let's get everything started. Let's move everything out of the way. And we're going to start working on this, and I'll show you how to do it. Quick and easy. Kids will love these. Kids can even help make these. So let's show you how to do it, and then you can decide if you want to jump in and try it yourself. All right, guys, do you notice I'm wearing Tennessee orange, and I'm holding Tennessee Pride hot country sausage? It's all about Tennessee. No, just kidding. Anyway, first thing you want to do is the hardest step is browning this and getting this over to the stove. Brown it, put it in a bowl, and bring it back here because we're going to be using our brown sausage crumbles in the cups. So let's go brown that right now. No reason to show you guys. You know how to brown meat. Just brown your sausage and bring it back here. Then I'll show you how to do everything else. All right, guys, so what you're going to do, you're going to brush each one of these, both sides, okay? I'm going to show you one side, but you're going to do both sides, okay? I got some herbs, butter, and garlic. Brush each one. Then you're going to take all your circles, and you're going to cut them in half, okay? Slice them in half. Then you're going to take your muffin tin. Let's put it right here so you can see a little bit better. And you're going to take each one, you're going to circle around in the muffin tin. So this was the hardest step. Getting these things in, you have to finagle it. You have to line the bottom first and then kind of fold the sides in and they kind of roll up against each other. Let them roll up against each other so you can still get a cut and then press down. Okay? They were a little difficult. And then you're going to broil this to get these kind of crispy for about 2 to 3 minutes with the broiler flame or the broiling wire. Make sure they don't burn. Just get crispiness to them, okay? And I'll see you in 2 minutes. You can see they got a little brown, just a slight touch of brown. You don't want them to burn. You watch them carefully. You just want to crisp them up a little bit, okay? Let's bring it in close so you can see one of these. All right, so we're going to do this one right here. We're going to fill this one right here. So let's get a pinch of cheese, get that in there. Okay. Put some cheese in there. And then I'm just going to show you how to fill one, and you don't have to watch me fill them all. Then the thing of pepperoni. Then maybe some sausage. A couple pieces of sausage right there. All right. And take probably a spoon. Drizzle a little sauce on there. There you go. And then, once you're done, you can sprinkle it with some seasoning. Again, there you go. You got everything. You got sausage, pepperoni, it's all in that cup. Each cup, fill them up. And then you're going to put them back in the oven for 15 minutes at 375, and I'll show you when they're done. All right, guys, these are piping hot right now. They look beautiful. They came out just great. Can you see? See all of them? Yeah, they look good. So we're just going to let them cool off a little bit. Then we'll pull them out, and we'll give them a try. They look beautiful. They came out perfect because they've got oil, or butter, I should say. They've got butter and seasoning and garlic. So good. You guys ready? Here we go. Definitely use sausage. Came out amazing, guys. It came out amazing. The only thing I recommend to you guys is to do 2 batches. So I'm starting the second batch because I got all this extra. Okay? I love you. This is amazing. It's awesome. It's healthy. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode.